You know what? I pressed them too. Yes, I did. It's your birthday.
Make sure you have that girls' day out tomorrow, okay?
Just leave the platinum card, Neil.
I will. Bye, Sophie.
You know, you have the greatest husband ever.
아름다운 아내와 사랑스러운 딸을 둔 모두가 부러워할 삶을 살고 있는 남자 닐 랜달.
Big launch on Monday, huh? Big launch.
Sad bastards.
No chance of a spoiler, right?
No, not at all. Oh, Carl. About that Ronson pit, you know, they're not really the kind to go for that hard sell.
You do it, Neil.
But we did the heavy lifting on that.
No, it's fine.
동료의 프로젝트까지 빼앗을 만큼 능력과 운도 따라주는 남자였죠.
Neil Randall's office.
Hey, Judy, it's Abby.
Hi, Mrs. Randall.
Aha, they're planning their little weekend adventure, are they? Between you and me, do you think this means a promotion?
Well, let's just say it's looking good.
Tastes even better since I quit the smokes.
What are you thinking?
대표의 신임을 독차지한 그에겐 꽃길만 펼쳐져 있었고 아내와 함께 그 모든 걸 자축합니다.
Hello, I'm Helen Schreiber. The agency sent me.
Come in.
This is Helen, the lady that I told you about who's going to sit for you tonight. Thanks. I love you so much.
We'll see you tonight, okay?
딸 소피를 베이비시터에게 맡기고 아내에게 자유 시간을 준 닐은 회사의 대표 카레 우출로 그의 별장으로 출장을 떠나죠.
I mean, you just want to bond, talk business. Okay, what's on your mind?
아내를 데려다주는 길 아닌 척하지만 닐은 이미 승진을 확신하고 있었는데
Me too. So yeah.
Hi, sweetheart, it's mommy.
That's enough. That's enough. That's enough. That's enough.
언제부터인지 차에 타고 있던 생전 처음 보는 남자가 딸과 통화시키며 협박하기 시작합니다.
$142,367.
그리고 그는 딸의 몸값으로 예금 전부를 출금해오라 말하죠.
Any withdrawal over 20 grand needs my signature too.
Just remember why we're here. Run along there.
두 사람은 저항하지 못하고 곧장 은행으로 달려갑니다.
Hi, Abby. Have you been?
I'm so sorry. I'm such a rush. I'll see you later, okay?
Sure, you have a good day now. What are you doing?
I'm calling.
No, you cannot call the cops.
Is that everything?
Yes, of course, it's everything.
I'm going to need some ID.
Sure.
흥분한 닐이 일을 망칠까 우려한 애비는 그를 먼저 돌려보내고 혼자 돈을 찾아 차로 돌아옵니다.
Cash and cards now.
It's over now, okay?
Let's just check it, shall we? Okay?
그런데 남잔 가방 속 돈을 꺼내고는 출금해온 돈 전부를 불태워 강물에 던져버립니다.
People are going to be wondering where you are right now, so...
Yeah, I got delayed. Abby wasn't feeling so great, but I'll be there as soon as I can. So what more do you want?
West side.
남자는 두 사람을 어느 고급 레스토랑으로 데려가죠.
Mr. Randall.
Good afternoon, sir. Pleasure to see you again.
그곳은 닐이 중요한 손님을 접대할 때만 방문하는 곳이었죠.
Who do you think you are?
I'm gone.
Can I take your order?
Oh, they're not eating.
You gotta run.
That's right. If you're not back here by 5:30 with, say, $300.
숨 돌릴 틈도 없이 또 다른 문제를 던지는데
There's got to be someone else we know around here.
I don't know anyone on this side of town.
사람들에게 도움을 요청하지만 모두가 모른 척합니다.
We're not begging. Okay, if you could just borrow $300.
Neil, let him go. Let's go. Have an idea. Let's get it. We need to sell this bracelet.
결국 애비의 아이디어로 수천 달러의 팔찌와 시계를 헐값에 넘겨 300달러를 간신히 구하죠.
This way. Where'd he go?
Dead on time. Excuse us. Let's see if you can get to South Franklin in 20 from here. I need this delivered in person.
드디어 끝난 줄 알았지만 남자는 다시 서류 봉투를 건넵니다. 그런데 그때 누군가 다가오는데
It's good to see you, son. How are you? I'll catch you later on, okay?
당황한 듯 남자는 어색한 인사를 나누고 서둘러 자리를 옮기죠.
So you got a child of your own and you put us through this.
그 모습을 지켜본 닐은 어이없어하며 남자를 자극합니다.
What's he gonna tell Corey when Mom and Dad are on the evening news? Have you thought about that?
Is that why you screw up so many people's lives?
What are you talking about?
That's the head office of Megris Industries. You've heard of them. What do you get for hacking into corporate information these days? Abby has the original.
하지만 전혀 흔들림 없는 남자는 닐의 치명적인 약점을 꺼내는데 사실 그가 쌓아온 성공은 경쟁사의 아이디어를 훔쳐 만든 비겁한 결과였습니다.
Stop her.
You serious?
Stop her.
Abby, don't hand over that envelope.
No, listen to me. We have to do what he said.
Get out of there!
그리고 이를 모르는 애비를 통해 범죄 사실을 알리려 하고 남편의 말을 듣지 않은 애비는 결국 서류를 넘기게 됩니다.
Come on. I know you're dying for one. (827) Hey, it's me. Any problems? I've got to pick something up. You stay here.
남자가 자리를 비운 사이 닐과 애비는 다투기
And
시작하고
don't stand there pretending that your precious career doesn't matter.
Oh, you mean the thing that keeps you in luxury? This is what he wants.
Screw you. Neil, his phone.
그가 놓고 간 전화를 발견한 닐은 딸이 있는 곳에 연락처를 알아냅니다.
I want this delivered. I'll wait here.
그리고 또 다른 명령에 따라 기차역으로 가는데
Call on that number.
No. Are
After
you
we
crazy?
dialed,
You
the
can...
first thing he said was 827. This could be the only chance we get.
그의 명령을 어기고 딸을 찾으러 행선지를 바꿉니다. 택시에 올라 그가 전달하라는 상자를 열어보는데
The whole thing's a mind game, Abby.
닐은 계속해서 그의 소나기에서 놀아나고 있었죠. 호텔에 도착한 두 사람은 조심스럽게 방 안으로 들어갑니다. 그리고 그들이 마주한 것은
How does it feel to be played? I'm not sure you're the perfect wife you'd like to think you are. Huh? Put it on, Abby.
닐의 행동을 예상한 남자는 명령을 어긴 잘못으로 그가 보는 앞에서 애비에게 수치심을 주며 모욕적인 행동을 하고 그는 또다시 문제를 내는데 이번엔 두 사람을 떨어뜨려 놓죠.
You'll be there at 8 o'clock. You're hitting the big time now.
Tell me where, for Christ's sake. Be where?
Come on. Hurry up. You just want your life back.
자신에 대해 모든 것을 꿰뚫어 보는 남자에게 굴복당한 닐은 끓어오르는 분노를 참지 못하고
You're hitting the big time now.
수수께끼 같은 그의 문제를 풀어내 촉박한 시간에 쫓기며 서둘러 시계탑으로 향합니다.
Get the clock tower.
Too late. It's not all bad. I'll let you say goodbye.
What? No.
Stand up, Neil. Get up.
그러나 고소공포증이 있는 닐에게 남자는 더욱더 몰아세우죠.
Tell him to move back. It's too dangerous.
On the edge.
Stay in there. Stay in there.
Why are you doing that? Why are you doing this to me?
The answer's up there.
그리고 남자는 이토록 치밀하게 닐을 괴롭히는 이유를 말해주는데
And what exactly am I gonna do?
하지만 닐은 전혀 이유를 파악하지 못하고 있었습니다.
This is an emergency. My wife and child have been kidnapped.
Randall, right? Your name's Neil Randall? She explained the whole thing.
Stop it, doing what?
Leaving you.
이번에도 선수를 쳐 닐을 의처증 걸린 남편으로 만들어버리죠.
I'm the victim of a crime.
결국 사라진 아내와 남자를 찾을 수 없게 된 닐은 낙담한 채 경찰서를 나옵니다. 모든 걸 포기하려던 그때 어디선가 애비와 남자가 다시 나타나고
He made me lie to that cop.
Get in the back.
서로의 절실함을 깨닫고 있는 두 사람을 데리고 남자는 어디론가 향합니다.
I love you, Abby.
Look what it takes for us to get this close.
You guess where you're going yet? Home sweet home.
도착한 곳은 회사의 대표 칼과 만나기로 했던 별장이었습니다.
Get out.
이곳으로 자신을 끌고 온 이유를 여전히 이해하지 못하는 닐.
How far would you go?
I would do whatever it takes to protect my family.
그런 닐에게 남자는 총을 건네며 또다시 명령을 내리고
I want you to kill Neil.
I can't do that.
You don't have to. There's one person in that house, and if they're not dead in the next 10 minutes, someone else will be.
끝까지 저항해보지만 남자의 완강함에 그는 어쩔 수 없이 총을 들고 별장 안으로 들어갑니다. 인기척이 느껴지지 않는 별장 안에서 조심스럽게 발길을 옮기는데 그곳에 있던 사람의 정체는
Neil Randall's office.
Hey, Judy, it's Abby.
Hi, Mrs. Randall.
자신의 비서 주디였습니다.
Jesus. Well, she bought all that stuff about going to Carl's, didn't she?
대표와 만나러 간다던 닐은 사실 비서와 바람을 피우고
So
있었죠.
how did you find the place? I thought you were gonna call.
그의 목적지는 이곳이 맞았지만
Don't you think I feel guilty too?
자신도 몰랐던 이곳을 남자가 알아낸 것에 닐은 그의 의도를 전혀 짐작하지 못하고 있었는데
Who is that?
That's my husband, Tom.
Where is he right now?
You know where he is. He's on that hunting trip.
He's got Sophie.
What?
He knows everything, Judy.
닐은 이제서야 모든 퍼즐이 맞춰집니다.
What are you doing with it?
그리고 딸을 구하기 위해 그는 선택을 해야만 했죠.
Do it, Neil. I can't. A life for a life. Just one little number. How much he really loves you. You tell me. What the fuck ever is. Get up. Huh? The end of a perfect day. It was me. Me you got inside. Piece of shit.
아내의 불륜을 알게 된 톰은 결국 그녀 앞에서 닐의 진짜 모습을 보여줍니다.
Where's my daughter?
She's at home where she belongs.
처음부터 그의 목적은 돈이 아니었죠.
What's going on? God, baby, are you all right?
Get out of here.
I thought I saw Judy at the window.
I told you, didn't I? You really want to know the truth?
Yes.
You want to know why he did it?
Yes!
애비의 성화에 닐은 결국 말을 꺼내는데
She's been having an affair. Only that maniac thought it was with me.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
I need a cigarette.
끝까지 비겁한 거짓말만 늘어놓고 둘은 소피가 있는 집으로 돌아갑니다.
You play hide and go seek.
무사한 소피를 확인한 닐은 기쁜 마음으로 애비를 찾습니다. 그런데
Abby!
I know. Are you in the eyes and lying again?
You and I, we can work this out together. We have her back. They took Sophie, and we...
Did they?
Cannot be completed as child.
Just do whatever the baby says, all right? She never left the house.
You set me up from the start. It didn't mean anything that you would let him destroy every cent we've worked for.
I'm going to need some ID.
Sure. Just for Sophie. Just go back to the car.
각자의 배우자의 불륜 사실을 알게 된 톰과 애비는 두 사람에게 복수를 위해 힘을 합쳤고 애비는 또다시 바람이 난 남편 닐에게 뼈저린 깨달음을 주기 위해 이 같은 일을 계획했을 뿐이었죠.
I found you out, Neil. Just like I did in Denver.
Look, you still have everything. You still have your house. You still have your career. You'll always have Sophie. Everything's exactly as it was. Who breaks a butterfly on a wheel?
이기적인 욕심으로 죄 없는 이에게 남긴 가혹한 상처에 대한 죗값을 치른 영화 더 버터플라이였습니다.